In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a routines folder in Todoist. This quick and easy process will help keep your daily, weekly, or even monthly tasks organized, ensuring you never miss a beat in your productive routine. Alright, let's dive right in. First, we need to open our web browser and navigate to the Todoist login page. Type in app.todoist.com login and hit enter. If you haven't already created an account, you'll need to sign up, but if you are already a user, you'll find the familiar login page waiting for you. Now you'll need to enter your credentials to access your account. This involves typing in your email address and then your password. Remember, a strong and secure password is key to protecting your information, so ensure it's a unique combination of letters, numbers, and symbols. Once you have that entered, go ahead and log in. For those who prefer a more streamlined process, Todoist also offers the option to log in via Google, Facebook, or Apple. Should you choose this path, just click Continue with Google, Continue with Facebook, or Continue with Apple, follow the prompts and you'll be directed back into your Todoist account. Once you're logged in, it's time to create your new project. Direct your attention to the left-hand side of the screen where you'll see a plus button. Clicking on this will allow you to add a new project to your Todoist. You'll want to name this project Routines because it's going to be the central hub for all those regular tasks you want to track. Naming your project straightforwardly like this will make it easy to recognize and access at a glance. Moving on, we're going to add some tasks to your Routines project. Click the plus button within your newly created Routines project. This button is your key to adding all the tasks you'll be including in your Routines folder. Let's say you want to include tasks like morning meditation, exercise, or weekly grocery shopping. Giving each task a descriptive name ensures that when you look at your list, you know immediately what needs to be done. Our next step is to set recurrence for each task. Click on the date field associated with the task, and you'll find options to set the task as a daily, weekly, or monthly activity. Todoist offers the flexibility to further customize this schedule, allowing you to specify exact days of the week or month. This feature is particularly handy for tasks like grocery shopping on Saturdays or exercising every weekday, and there you have it, your routines folder is now set up in Todoist. With this system in place, you'll have a clear overview of your regular tasks, helping you manage your time efficiently and stay on top of your commitments. Happy organizing!